watching The Angle. I'm Divita Singh. So let's start our bulletin with the headlines first. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the Kushinagar International Airport in Uttar Pradesh. Harish Rawat on Captain Amrinder Singh said there is no truth in the reports of insult. Do not support BJP. In Chaksu, the statue of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar made of Ashtadhatu, 11.5 feet and weighing 1100 kg was unveiled. Aryan Khan's bail application rejected, will remain in Arthur Road jail. Kushinagar has got the gift of an international airport. It is the third and longest runway airport in UP. During this, PM Modi said that today when the world talks about environmental protection, express concern about climate change, then many questions arise with it. But if we adopt the message of Buddha, then instead of who has to do, the path of what to do starts appearing automatically. The PM said that the policy that India is following today regarding ethanol will also benefit the farmers of Uttar Pradesh. The hearing on the violence case of Lakhimpur Kheri in Uttar Pradesh was heard by Supreme Court on Wednesday. During this, the Supreme Court strongly reprimanded the UP government for the delay in filing the status report. The top court said that they kept waiting till 1 o'clock last night. We have received your status report at the last minute, whereas during the last hearing we had clearly told you that at least a day before we should get the status report. At the same time, in response to this, lawyer Harish Salve, appearing for the UP government, said that we have filed a progress report. Security forces have got a big success in Jammu and Kashmir. 2 terrorists have been killed by the security forces in Shopian encounter. The security forces have cordoned off the entire area. The search operation is on. 1 soldier is reported to have been martyred in this attack, although the army has not yet confirmed this. Intelligence agencies received information about the hiding of terrorists in Chirbagh Dragged area of Shopian district in South Kashmir, after which a joint team of police, army and CRPF raided Chirbagh Dragged village, started a search operation by siege. Seeing themselves surrounded, the terrorists start firing on the security forces. The security forces asked the terrorists to surrender, but the terrorists continued to open fire on the security forces. The security forces also gave a befitting reply and killed 2 terrorists. Punjab Congress in charge, Harish Rawat, reacted to Amrinder Singh's decision to floating a new political party, which might be open to seat arrangement with the BJP, and said if the captain wants to eat crow and go with the BJP, he can, asserting the decision will not hurt the Congress in Punjab and will actually divide the votes of Congress rivals in the state. Harish Rawat said, our votes will depend on the performance of the Channi in Punjab. The State Consumer Commissioner has issued an arrest warrant against Sahara Chief Subrat Roy and 2 others for not complying with the orders. The Commission has asked the Police Commissioner to get the arrest warrant executed. The Commission gave this order in the contempt application of Narayan Das. It was said in the application that the complainant had booked a house in Sahara Prime City in the year 2005. On presentation of the complaint, the Commission issued an order on October 10, 2019, while imposing a damages of Rs 2.5 lakh on Sahara Prime City. Asked the complainant to return Rs 67 lakh 16,903 with 15% interest, but the company complied with this order. A big event has been organized in Chaksu on the occasion of Valmiki Jayanti. The crowd of supporters who reached former Deputy CM Sachin Pilot in the event welcomed him with loud slogans. As soon as Pilot reached the stage, his supporters started shouting slogans in his favor. Many Congress leaders joined the stage to be a part of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar statue unveiling program. The Sinogage was built in the middle of the road at the crossroads. Many ministers were take part in this event. Opposition leader Rajendra Rathod was on Dharyavad visit today. During this, participated in the youth conference organized by the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. Yuva Morcha's national president Himanshu Sharma came to the program. During this, discussions were held on the strategy of the Yuva Morcha regarding the by-election. After the conference, Rajendra Rathod held a press conference and took on Education Minister Govind Singh Dotasra for the rigging in the REET and RPSC examination. With this, Rathod challenged the Chief Minister and asked why he was not expanding the cabinet. Aryan Khan's bail plea has been rejected in Mumbai cruise drug party case. On October 14, in the session court, the judge had reserved the verdict after hearing the arguments of the lawyers. During the last hearing, the NCB had told the court that Aryan Khan has been consuming drugs since the age of 20. NCB said that Aryan has connections with international drug peddlers. Shah Rukh Khan fans has gathered outside the court and were demanding Aryan Khan's bail. Along with Aryan, the bail applications of Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamicha were also rejected. That's all for today's video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Angle.